Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.